Hi everyone, Donut here. Do I have a big old police oopsie for you guys today? It's an incident where a Florida man, who would have thunk it, stole not only one police car, but two police cars until the sheriff of Volusia County put a stop to it. You know what? Florida man wouldn't have stole those police cars if the police officers would have had some tac packs.
Tac Pack, my monthly tactical stuff subscription box is here. And what's in it this month? Oh my god, are those donut stickers? Tac Pack! Ah! Cool patch, shooter's tape, black rifle coffee bag. Oh, a shooter's mat with a breakdown of an AR. Magazine, operational survival tool, rapid tourniquet, mechanics gloves, t-shirt, this guy.
Use the code DONUT at checkout to get extra tactical stuff on top of your already ordered tac pack.
Tac Pack! Tac Pack! Tac Pack! Tac Pack! Okay, do it again. Tac Pack! Do it louder.
Oh, Tac Pack!
Alright, one more time.
Tac Pack!
Now do a long one. Tac Pack!
Tac Pack!
This happened in, of course, Florida, because Florida man. Who would have thought Florida man would have stole two police cars? Everyone. That literally everyone. That's what he does. This started out when Cocoa police were investigating a man who was acting strangely and stepping out in front of traffic. Your average Florida man shit. The wild Florida man was talking to police, ran off, jumped into a patrol car, and sped away. As Florida man does sometimes. Cocoa police don't normally chase unless it's a serious felony, and stealing a police car with a bunch of guns inside of it just did it. The chase was on. He was hightailing it for a good 30 minutes up I-95 when the Volusia County Sheriff's Department was alerted and started chasing him too. After a short high-speed chase, one of the real police officers performed a pretty solid pit maneuver, forcing Officer Florida man off the road and into the woods. The chase is over, right? Well, for a couple minutes.
I think still south of that there one's got it, if you want to call it.
10-3, 10-3, someone just pit him into the woods.
One of the officers grabs a shield, a dog, they all stack up and move in to arrest the suspect. But Florida man had other plans.
All right, everybody heads up. He's trying to drive the car out of the woods. All right, guys, we're going to get two shields. We're going to approach, trying to rock the car back and forth so he's still inside. Look, when they get a shield, let's pin him in.
Got going, bro.
Watch him! Throw him to me! Coming out the driver's side!
He suddenly jumps out of the woods and Leroy Jenkins into another patrol car with its door wide open on the side of the interstate with like 20 officers in tow behind him.
Hey, y'all do not walk up on this car. We got enough people up here. Dog! That's the dog!
One officer actually catches him in time before he can shut the door and looks like he has him at gunpoint, but you can't blame him for not wanting to shoot an unarmed dude. That usually doesn't end well for police, but now he's in another police cruiser with more guns inside of it. What are your thoughts on the officer's decision right there to not shoot him? Let me know in the comments below.
Hey, get behind the car!
He's on the move again in a Cocoa K9 Explorer going north on 95.
He drives a couple more minutes up the road before he gets spike stripped and slows down.
Any other vehicle dealing with them, block your doors.
With his tires completely done for, he comes to a stop in the median. The first person to reach his car is actually the Volusia County Sheriff, Mike Chitwood.
All right, he's braking for the median, guys. He's braking for the median. Braking for the median. Everybody slow down. Don't ball up here.
It's underneath the the wires. Underneath the wires. In the median.
10-4, there's going to be K9 in the signal 10.
10-3, 10-3.
We got one thrown down on the ground.
I love seeing the high brass get their hands dirty, setting some good examples and stuff, not being such a fucking politician. The suspect was arrested and eventually charged with armed burglary of a conveyance, escape, fleeing or attempting to elude law enforcement, possession of a firearm by a convicted felon, 2 counts, grand theft firearm, 2 counts, grand theft motor vehicle, 2 counts, and driving while license is suspended, habitually. Damn, man, that's a lot of charges. I don't think he's going to be out of jail anytime soon. Just kidding. It's the modern day criminal justice system. He's probably already out of jail. But from that day forth, every popo locked their door. Hey, be sure to check out my other Florida Man videos while you're at it. We got 102 of the craziest Florida Man stories from 2019, Best of Florida Man 2018, Florida Man got stabbed with an alarm clock, Florida Man cut a dude's wobbly bits off. There's a couple more than that. Florida Man is such an interesting species. It's always fun to make videos about him. Please check out my sponsor, Tech Pack. And yeah, have a fantastic day.